Hello, welcome to the Drawing for Fun channel. Today we are going to do another Valentine's drawing. We will be drawing two lovebirds sitting on a branch, as you can see here. Art supplies is paper and whatever you choose to draw with. Pencil, crayons, color pencil. It's your project, so make it how you want to. I will be starting off with pencil and then going to markers from there. So let's get started. Remember, at any time in this video, if you need to pause to catch up, go ahead and do that. So we're going to go ahead and start off by drawing a big heart. We'll start on the left side here. If you're left-handed, you might start on the right side and do the right side. And then we'll go ahead and make a smaller heart on the inside of the bigger heart. The smaller heart will be the wings of the birds. And I'll draw a line here to separate the two sides. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw the eyes and the beaks of the birds. There's the left bird. Now I'm going to draw the right bird. And since the right bird is a girl, I'll make the eyes have eyelashes. I'm going to add a little feathers here at the edges of their wings. Now there's areas here that I'm going to erase because I won't need those lines. That's why I like to start with pencil, always to kind of sketch out what I want to do, and there are areas in it that I know I won't need the pencil marks, so I'll erase it. I'm going to go ahead and draw the branch that they're sitting on. Remember, you can draw the birds however you want, wherever they are sitting at. It doesn't have to be a branch. I'm going to add their feet here after this. Again, I'm erasing lines that I know I won't see when the project's done. Now, since these are lovebirds, I'm going to probably go ahead and draw some hearts surrounding them. You can put however many hearts you want to. And there it is, as it's sketched out. Now I'm going to go ahead and take a Sharpie and outline everything in black. This will be time lapse, so again, if you need to pause to catch up, go ahead. There it is, all done in black. So now I'm going to take the eraser and go ahead and erase areas that I see pencil still. Get rid of any kind of pencil marks. And after I'm doing this, I'm going to go ahead and get started adding color to it to bring it more to life. And again, at any time, to pause, to catch up, do so. Picking my colors, which ones I'd like to have the birds. And there it is, all in color. So just remember to sign your work and date it so no people know when you've done this. I hope you liked this and you enjoyed this session. If you could, please like and subscribe. See you next time.